Hi, this is Charles Lewis from Nonprofit Home Inspections. Thank you for reviewing one of our sample home inspection reports using our exclusive customized software. To highlight important features in our software, we're going to be reviewing an actual report one of our inspectors completed yesterday with only the address changed to maintain confidentiality. Once your inspector has finalized your report, you will receive an email letting you know it's ready for your review. Because real estate transactions move quickly, we guarantee same-day reports for all of our inspections. To view your report online, please visit our website at www.nonprofithomeinspections.org. Scroll down to the bottom and click the View Your Report button. You'll then enter the username and password you were given in order to access your personal dashboard. This area will include all the reports we have compiled for you. Each folder will include your home inspection report, invoice, inspection agreement, summary, and any additional reports like mold and radon if applicable. When you click on your inspection report, the first thing you will see is your inspector's contact information. Please feel free to email or call your inspector with any questions about your report. Most of the defects identified will be very easy to understand, but definitely feel free to contact your inspector if you have any questions whatsoever. We are here to help. On the left side of the screen, we have a flyout table of contents that allows you to move around the report at any time. The table of contents section features hyperlinks to all of the home's components. The next page features an introduction to your report and lets you know how to read it. IN means that the item was inspected and that no defects were visible at the time of the inspection. NI means the item was not inspected. NP means the item was not present. And RR means repair or replace. The presence of an RR designation means that further review and repair of the system by a licensed contractor is advised. With this example of a home built in 2006, you'll see a number of defects in the roofing section ranging from defects with the shingles themselves to problems with gutters and flashing. Also, please note that each section of the report includes a styles and materials section that gives you important information about the building's components that can be useful when requesting repairs or when setting up your insurance policy. A great feature of our software is the ability to click on any photo to zoom in on any defect so you can really see what's going on. It's a great feature, in addition to our ability to host videos in our reports, that makes our reports more effective than plain printed reports. All of our inspectors use thermal imaging cameras to detect overheating electrical components, moisture intrusion problems, and missing insulation. In this example, the inspector found that the access hatch into the attic was not insulated. This was confirmed while inspecting the attic as well. This defect highlights another strong point about our reports, the inclusion of lots of graphics and diagrams to help you better understand defects and how to fix them. In this case, the missing insulation and weather stripping can lead to heat loss and moisture and mold problems in the attic if not corrected. In the next section, we see another use of another important feature of our software, the ability to use video where appropriate. Here we've got some dry rot. The inspector is pressing on the dry rot with his thumb to highlight the dry rot without causing unnecessary damage by prodding. Our graphics and diagrams can be very useful in highlighting defects and suggesting repairs. In this example, we have an air conditioning unit that is out of level. This defect can damage the line set and is hard on the fan bearings. The air conditioning unit should be re-leveled by an HVAC technician. In addition to graphics highlighting defects, we include additional helpful graphics that show you how to operate both gas and water shutoff valves in case of an emergency. Another very helpful use of thermal imaging is the ability to accurately gauge water temperature. In this case, we've got extremely hot water at 158 degrees. This would take less than a second to seriously burn an infant and is something that could be easily repaired once you know it's a problem. Here's another example of missing insulation in the ceiling. This missing insulation was also visually confirmed in the attic. Defects like this in hidden areas would be extremely difficult to observe without thermal imaging equipment. Using very expensive thermal imaging cameras, our highly trained inspectors are able to find hidden defects that other home inspectors might miss. With this home inspection, the buyer requested a sewer scope, radon testing, and mold testing. Our sewer scopes include a narrative about the sewer line and include a link to a private YouTube video so that you can see the condition of the sewer line for yourself. If you have requested radon or mold testing, your report will include documentation concerning the testing procedures that follow our standards of practice. The radon test results and mold laboratory reports themselves will be uploaded to your dashboard once they are complete. For mold reports, our IAC2 certified inspectors use an independent laboratory for unbiased results. Results will be uploaded to your account within 2 business days of the inspection. The mold report not only identifies the type of mold spores found in the home to make sure it's not toxic black mold, but it also tells you the concentration of mold spores found in the air and the relative exposure level for your family. The report includes a ton of additional information about the specific type of mold spores that were found and what you can do to help better protect your family. Radon is a radioactive gas that is the #1 cause of lung cancer in non-smokers. Approximately 1 out of 4 homes in our region have radon levels that exceed EPA standards. Our certified inspectors only use continuous radon monitors that meet EPA regulations for radon sampling. These tamper-resistant monitors are professionally calibrated and take samples hourly for a minimum of 48 hours on site. These hourly readings can be extremely helpful in determining if the home has dangerous levels of radioactive radon gas. Because such a thorough report can be long, we also include a summary of defects that is much shorter and only highlights defects that were visible at the time of the inspection. We save all reports on our servers for a minimum of 5 years. If you would like, however, you can download a PDF of your report to keep for your records. You are also able to email and forward your report to anyone you would like directly from the report. Lastly, an exciting new feature we have implemented recently is called Create Request List. You can access this feature in your dashboard by clicking on the Create Request link. This feature allows you to review all of the defects identified by your inspector and to indicate which items you want to accept as is, what you would like repaired, and what you would like to be assigned a monetary amount. This is extremely helpful in negotiating repairs or pricing for the home. Thank you again for reviewing one of our sample reports. We are constantly making improvements to our customized software, so look forward to seeing even more upgrades in the near future. If you would like to schedule an inspection, please visit our website at nonprofithomeinspections.org and click on the Schedule Now button. Also, feel free to send us an email at info@nonprofithomeinspections.org or give us a call at 1-844-YINSPECT. We'll look forward to inspecting a home for you soon.